Volvo would like to introduce you to the EU-funded research project PRE-DRIVE C2X. The focus of the project has been to secure, validate and standardise communications between vehicles, infrastructure and traffic management centres.
The main achievements of PRE-DRIVE C2X were firstly the specification of the architecture of a common European cooperative driving system. There is one unique feature, and that is the backend integration, which allows also the integration of commercial services in this architecture. And we did not just specify the architecture, we did also build a system prototype based on this architecture, and this prototype is ready now for field operational trials. Then we have developed an integrated simulation toolset that allows a holistic approach towards assessing the benefits of cooperative systems. And so it's not just a tool to assess the traffic impact and another one to assess safety impact. No, it's a tool that allows to address all three important aspects at once: the traffic impact, the safety impact, and also the environmental aspects of cooperative systems.
Volvo would like to introduce you to the services developed by the partners within the PRE-DRIVE C2X project. Broken down vehicles or other obstacles on the roadside can constitute dangerous situations. If the drivers can be provided with a warning, dangerous situations can be avoided. This is called the car breakdown warning service. The broken down vehicle broadcasts its information to approaching vehicles. The broadcasted information from the broken down vehicle is received by the surrounding vehicles. The drivers see a warning and can take measures to avoid dangerous situations. The Green Light Optimal Speed Advisory Service uses information sent from traffic lights to advise the driver about the most suitable speed to synchronize vehicles approaching the traffic light with the intervals of light changes. If the traffic light is red but is about to change, the driver might not have to stop. By optimizing the speed of vehicles approaching a traffic light, the traffic flow will be smoother and throughput will increase. Unnecessary accelerations will also decrease, leading to a decrease in fuel consumption, especially for vehicles carrying heavy goods. The in-vehicle signage service informs the driver about valid signs in the current area. It could, for example, be speed limit signs or parking limitation signs. Roadside units broadcast the information about the road signs in the vicinity. The in-vehicle signage service shows the current signs on the in-vehicle screen. The service can also monitor the vehicle speed and inform the driver if they are speeding, based on the information from the road signs. An unintentionally speeding driver will receive a warning and decrease their speed. The approaching emergency vehicle will inform the surrounding vehicles and roadside units about its presence. When an approaching emergency vehicle is detected, the driver is informed of the direction and distance to the emergency vehicle. The driver can take actions if necessary. The approaching emergency vehicle service helps the driver to make the right decision to assist the emergency vehicle and avoid hazardous situations. The Roadworks warning service will inform traffic about the presence of an approaching roadworks area. The vehicle is passing a roadside unit. The RSU sends information to the vehicle about the upcoming roadwork. This enables the driver to prepare for the roadwork and slow down or perhaps turn off at the nearest exit, driving an alternative route. When approaching the roadworks, the service will show to the driver the distance to the roadwork on the in-vehicle HMI. The Limited Access Warning Service restricts vehicle access to specified areas based on regional or international rules. Different areas can be limited for different reasons. In some areas, only vehicles that meet certain environmental restrictions are allowed to enter. In other areas, such as tunnels or low bridges, there are dimension restrictions. Also, vehicles carrying dangerous goods are not allowed to enter all areas. The Limited Access Warning Service is controlled through a back-office application running in a traffic management centre. The traffic manager can easily create new limited access areas and customize the rules for existing areas. When a vehicle passes a roadside unit, it is informed about the presence of restricted areas. Once the vehicle approaches one of these areas, it contacts the back office using its mobile internet connection to download the rules for the areas. If the vehicle is about to enter the area, the vehicle evaluates the rules based on the information about the area and the vehicle, to assess if the vehicle is allowed to access the area. The driver will be informed if access is granted or denied through the in-vehicle HMI, in this case on the small in-vehicle screen. The Limited Access Warning Service will help increase driver awareness about the limited access areas. It will also help enforce environmental and safety restrictions on our roads. It makes the workday of our drivers much more efficient and safe.
It's extremely important that the OEMs collaborate in the area of cooperative systems. There's quite a simple reason for that, and that is that it is absolutely necessary that a Volvo truck can communicate with a Mercedes and Opel with a Fiat. So OEMs need to collaborate in that area, because otherwise this vision of the cooperative system will always stay a vision and will not become reality.